Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model 3 tire. First, prioritize safety. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake to prevent any movement. It's also crucial to locate the specific jack points on your Model 3 frame. Having all your tools ready, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and wheel chocks, will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Once you're prepared, it's time to safely lift your Model 3. Begin by placing wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite the one you're changing to ensure the car remains stable. Carefully position your jack pad directly under one of the vehicle's 4 designated jack points. Then, slowly and steadily raise the car until the flat tire is fully clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the vehicle safely lifted, you can now remove the wheel. Use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts while the tire is still slightly touching the ground, making them easier to turn. Once loose, fully raise the car, remove all the lug nuts, and carefully take off the flat tire. Then, place your spare or new wheel onto the hub and hand tighten the lug nuts to secure it in place. For the final steps, carefully lower your Tesla Model 3 until the tire is just touching the ground, but not bearing the full weight. Now, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the recommended specification, which is typically 129 foot-pounds, ensuring they are secure. Finally, double-check the tire pressure in your newly installed wheel and remember to properly store all your tools and the flat tire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.